Hello and welcome to this tutorial video where I show you how to hide photos on your iPhone. So if they have personal data on them or photos you don't want people to see as they're browsing through your photo album, what you would want to do is you'd want to go to your photos, go to your photo album, and just start browsing through your photos until you find the ones that you want to hide. So you can go to select and select multiple photos by just tapping on them like I'm doing here, or you can do it by individual photo. And then what you're going to want to do is you will find the three dots with a circle around it right there in the lower right-hand corner or bottom of your screen. Tap on that. That is the Actions menu. And then you'll see the option there to hide. It has the eye icon with a line crossed through it. Tap on Hide. It says Hide Photos. It says these photos will be hidden, but can be found in the hidden album. So go ahead and tap Hide Photos. If people know where to look, they can actually access your hidden album by just going to Albums, going here, and you'll see that there'll be a hidden album here. If we go down, go to Hidden Utilities here, and then once everything's added, you'll see that they're added here in the album. But what you can do is you can actually go to Settings on your iPhone and go down to the Photos app, which should be somewhere down the line here, and just go to the Photos app on Settings. And then what you're going to see is Show Hidden Album. The hidden album will appear in the Albums tab. You can uncheck that. And then now when we go back and we open up our Photos app right here and we go to Albums, you will not see, if we go to See All, we will not see an album for the hidden album. You can also check the Use Face ID. So basically that means that it has to be you to unlock your hidden albums folder. So if you go to Use Face ID and enable that, and then you show the hidden album and that's enabled, you can go to your photo albums here, and then when you go into your hidden album, which is down here, and tap into hidden, it says Use Face ID. As you can see, it unlocks, and now you can see the hidden album right here on my iPhone. So that's it. That is how you go and hide photos on your iPhone. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. If it helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.